The immature form of an animal, it looks very different from the adult form. Larva. In simple terms, a larva is the early stage of an animal's life cycle, often looking nothing like the adult and eventually transforming as it grows. Imagine trying to assemble a piece of furniture from a box of parts, where the final piece looks nothing like the jumbled mess of screws, wood, and metal you start with. This situation is akin to how a larva represents an early stage in an animal's life, appearing vastly different from its mature form. Just as the furniture parts must go through a process of assembly to transform into a coherent piece, a larva undergoes metamorphosis to develop into its adult form, showcasing a remarkable transformation from one stage to the next, much like the journey from disorganized pieces to a complete and functional piece of furniture.